This video is brought to you by Team Schaefer. Know a lot of y'all think y'all know, but I'm gonna let you know now. Them boys and his daughter, they be getting busy. Seriously, y'all need to go on and give him his props, cause fam be getting busy. Y'all lucky he taking time off that box, cause he was about to hurt some feelings. But we gonna get him back on it. Right now he just having fun with that truck. So y'all just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright? You're gonna see more of me. I'm part of the team also. Just been laying low. You don't know I'm out the box right now though. Alright, I'll let y'all in a minute. What's good, YouTube? You know it's been a minute. Show y'all the avalanche, man. I got my lights in, but I'm about to change it out anyway. Can't show y'all the halos no more. I got that disconnected, but I want to show my running lights. See, I put them in the fog lights also. Running lights and turn signals. But I'm not going to use the turn signals in the fog lights, just at the top. So I'm going to show y'all with it lit up in a minute. Alright. Okay, back with y'all, YouTube. As y'all can see, lit up. Got them in the fog lights and the bottom lights. Like I said, I'm changing this up. I'm gonna keep the running light part, but them halos, I'm changing them out. Doing 4 projections. And yeah, I'm doing 4 projections. And I'm gonna try to show you guys if I could do it. You know, them retro projections, they be wanting you to change your bulbs to H1s or H4s. I'm gonna try to make the, 9006 or 9005 bulbs to fit up in here, or up in them. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when it get a little dark outside so I can show y'all what it really look like. But look good to me, especially down there. Then also, damn, I need Harmony or somebody to do the turn signals. The turn signals, I'm not gonna have the fog lights doing the turn signals, but the real lights, they gonna have turn signals. Well, they got turn signals. Chasing turn signals. They flip colors, but they chase. So, matter of fact, let me see if I can do one for y'all real quick. Like I said, I ain't got the battery in, none of that hooked up. I just got the wires y'all see ran just to show y'all. Since I ain't putting nothing out in a minute. So hold on, so there you go. You know, and then after you turn signals on, they flip back to white. So I wanted to show y'all that. I'm gonna give y'all a night vision of how they looking at night. Alright, not with the turn signals, just the bright white. Alright. Okay, YouTube, here go a night shot. And this is just those lights that was at the beginning of the video. Nothing else is on. Wish you didn't get that glare off so y'all can really see it. But that's how it looks. I'll go back some more. I just wanted to show y'all that, man. Alright. While I'm out here, here go the starter. This I was saying. This had broke off from right there. And as you can see, Chevy is just covered with stuff. He's got a heat on it now, you know. We'll get back to it eventually, though. Yeah, everything is everything, man. Parts everywhere, but you know, big deal.